Welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful lookup combinations in Excel, index and match. If you've ever struggled with VLOOKUP or felt limited by its left-to-right rule, this dynamic duo is your solution. Okay, let's unlock it step by step. Let's kick things off with the basics, the index function in Excel. It's a powerful tool that allows you to retrieve a specific value from a range by simply giving Excel a row and column number. Super efficient, especially when working with large datasets. Here's the syntax. Array is the range of cells you're searching in. Row number tells Excel which row to look at. Column number is optional. If you include it, Excel will also look at the specific column. Let's look at an example. Imagine we have a dataset in range A1 to G10. And we want to retrieve all data for Olivia, who is on the third row. Simply type this formula. This formula tells Excel to fetch the entire third row. Because we specified the row number as 3, and using column number as 0 tells Excel to return the entire third row, perfect when you want to extract the full record. Now let's narrow it down. Suppose we only want Olivia's sales for January, which is in column 2 of the range. Here's the modified formula. Hit Enter, and Excel pulls the value from row 3 and column 2, giving you Olivia's January sales in one go. Simple, precise, and powerful. Now that we've seen how the index function pulls values, let's explore its perfect partner, the match function. While index retrieves data, match helps us locate the exact position of a value within a range, making it ideal for dynamic lookups. Let's use the same dataset. Suppose you want to find out where Olivia appears in the employee list in column A. Just use this formula. Here, Olivia is the name we're searching for. A 2 to A10 is the range where we're looking. 0 tells Excel to find an exact match. When you hit Enter, Excel returns 2, meaning Olivia is the second item in the specified range. Match is all about finding positions. Let's apply index and match function for single criteria. Make this even cooler by using a drop-down list for selecting the employee name. To create the dropdown, first select the cell where you want the dropdown, let's say it's I4. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. In the Source field, select your employee name range A2 to A10. Now click OK. And boom, you now have a clickable dropdown of employee names. Now let's connect that dropdown to our data using index and match. Type this formula to retrieve January sales for the selected employee. Explanation: B2 to B10 is the sales data for January. This part finds the row number of the employee, selected in cell I4. Index then fetches the corresponding value from column B. Press Enter, and just like that, Excel returns the January sales for the selected employee. Want to check another employee? Just pick a different name from the dropdown, and the value updates instantly. No need to adjust formulas. Excel does all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. This is perfect for creating interactive dashboards, client reports, or simply making your data smarter and more user-friendly. Alright, let's step it up a notch and make our lookup even smarter by using 2 dropdowns. One for the employee name and one for the month. This setup allows you to instantly retrieve sales data based on both criteria. Now, select the cell where you want to display the result and enter this formula. Here's how it works. B2 to G10 is the main data range containing all sales figures. This part finds the row number that matches the selected employee name. And this finds the column number that matches the selected month. Index then retrieves the value at the intersection of that row and column. Press Enter, and just like that, Excel returns Olivia's January sales. Want to check others' performance? Just pick the values from the dropdowns. No formulas to rewrite, no manual searching. Now let's bring it all together and create a fully dynamic index plus match formula. Perfect for interactive reports and dashboards. With this setup, you can change your lookup values anytime, and Excel will instantly return the correct result. No need to touch the formula again. Type this formula. Let's break it down. B2 to G10 is your absolute range containing all sales data. This part looks for the selected employee name, for example, Pereira, in the names column. And this part looks for the selected month, like January, and returns 1. Because January is the first column in that range. Now hit Enter, and boom, Pereira's January sales appear instantly. Just update the values in I2. And the formula updates automatically. No need to edit it manually. If this helped you work smarter, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have questions. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel magic. Hit the bell so you never miss a trick. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.